Oh my gosh. Whoa. Go.
Oh, the backflip.
Here we go. Go here. Here. Oh, finally, yeah. Look, Maya got a fish. Really? Oh, wow. Two. Circle hook. Yeah. Throw it, Maya. You guys saw that fish. Currently, we only have 3. And it's very windy and cold, so. Small one hasn't caught any. The big one has caught 3, which makes sense. But it's very cold. Here's this. I don't know where we are, but there's yeah, there's a lot. Oh, it's cold. It's windy. We've been here for like an hour and a half maybe. It's cold. 3 hours. That's crazy. Look at Maya. Professional. Exuberant. Delight. It's cold. What I see? Is that a catfish? A catfish. Oh my goodness, guys. It's so big. It's so big. Oh my goodness, guys. Like and subscribe. Wow, are you keeping this? Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, he's... Would you look at that, guys?
Take a look. Look at Catfish.
Whoa.
Morning, bro. Check out morning.
Maya, go. Oh, he doesn't want to. Go. You know how to open it, right? You just pull. Okay, over the water though. Let's see this. Yeah, go at least. Oh, I have no idea where it went, but it's gone. Wow, guys. Jeremiah just caught a small one. With lots of salsa extra rice. Oh, he killed it. You guys can see it right there. Go, push it now.
It can walk.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Just go, push it.
It's not torture. It's definitely
Aye. Alright, it's gone, guys. Aye. You're done. Where? Huh? Oh, it's a big sunfish. It's a big sunfish. Dad, look, it's so big. Because there will be no link.
comment down below if you have to go tomorrow.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Go on the other side.
It's gone. I don't know where it went, but it's gone. Go. What? Where?
No, right there.
I don't see it.
In the hole.
Oh, what do you want me to see?
What? What happened?
Could be a squirrel.
That's a big ass squirrel.
That's true. A fox.
Is that a fox?
Could be a fox. Oi!
Where? Inside the hole.
Did you guys pee here? Yeah, right beside the dump. Comment down below if you know what that is, because I don't know what that is.
Go closer.
A I doubt it's gonna bite me.
I don't think it's gonna bite you.
If it tries to.
Remember, I have a sister.
Can I poke it? I don't want to poke it. It's alive. You can see it breathing.
It's moving.
I don't think it's a beaver.
Want me to throw something?
No.
Why not?
Can't be a coyote. Too small for a coyote, so. Fox, most likely.
Hey, let me throw a rock.
No, don't. Don't. Don't actually. Kinda wanna know what that was though. Can we get another view? I wanna see from this side.
Is that a cat? Or, I don't know, something as big as a cat. Will I slide down the mountain?
I can't really see much. I can see its ears. It's a fox. It's a fox. Yeah. You can see the ears right there. I want to say it's a fox. That's the only thing I could assume. It's a fox. We have one here. Too small to keep, I think, I guess. Yeah.
There you go.
There were two in a row.
Huh?
Yeah. Is it pregnant?
Yes, hey. Has a big belly.
Alright, guys.
Yeah, Maya.
So close. Let's go. Wait, let me get a. Go.
Okay, I wasn't recording, but Maya got another bullhead. Yes, yellow bullhead.
How do you feel, buddy? Look at him.
I can't take it out.
Hey. Maya. Oh, I guess I'll do it. Wait, I'm doing it.
Oh,
I'm doing it.
good,
I'm doing it because I caught it.
What?
Yeah.
What did he say?
Okay, guys. Go.
Oh, the backflip.
Another big one. Plus a leaf. Wow, guys. Would you look at that?
Yeah,
Bigger than the last one. Actually, no. Maybe. Aye. It's a big one, but
Too
we're
shiny.
not keeping these.
So much too short.
It's a big one. Indeed. But bye. And the sun, another bullhead. Right.
It's so happy. Get a picture?
So cold. Yeah. So let me hold both your hands in the autumn sweater. Goodbye, young one. Old one, big one. Should we just leave? Should we go now? Because it's... Oh, wow. It's a lot... It's getting bigger, but we...
Okay, guys, so we got a couple of fish. It got windier, so we're on our way home. Right?
Yes.
It's cold.
Yes.
And it's 3:36, so we're gonna go pick up Michelle on the way home. Okay, you guys ready?
Yes. Fish, see? They can't see it.
Yeah, just a couple of fish for catch and cook. Probably a bit of taco. Right?
Thanks.
Stings. I don't know if you can see, but
Oh, you don't want to show us?
it's windier.